LangShop app allows you to order professional human translation of your Shopify store's content. I made this tutorial to show you how easy it is to embellish your online store with grammatically correct, easy to read, and easy to understand professionally translated content. We have integrated into the LangShop app the TextMaster Professional SaaS translation service, which gathers hundreds of professional translators and provides high-quality translation. The algorithm for ordering professional translation is the same for all types of content. So as an example, we will order translation of the product descriptions content. To order the professional human translation of the product descriptions content, you need to select the product and click Pro Translate. In the pop-up window, you can select the language into which you want to translate the product's content and the fields of the product's pages, such as titles, tags, etc. Let's order the translation of a product's content into Arabic. Now you can click the Add to Cart button. You will see a notification telling you that the content which you have selected is added to the cart. Now you need to go to your LangShop admin and click Pro Translation. On the cart page, you can see the list of different sets of content chosen for translation. I have only one set here. You can remove one or several sets from your cart before sending them for processing. You can also open each set for editing by clicking on its name. On this page, you will see the list of items which you have chosen for translation. You can remove the items or edit the fields. To add new items to your order, go to the Products page and add new products to your cart. In other words, repeat the steps described before. When you have finished editing, click Next. Now you need to select the category of the content and the level of the language. When you select the level of the language, the translation rate will appear in the window to the right. In the briefing field, you should leave your requirements and wishes. This field should be filled in, otherwise you will not be able to proceed. You will also find the Professional SaaS Translation Services contact information and useful links on this page. Should you have any questions concerning professional translation, please feel free to contact the Translation Services support team at any time. Now click Next to proceed. The LangShop app will launch the process of analyzing the content and calculating the total cost of translation. This process will take some time. The duration of it depends on the amount of content. When the process is complete, you will see the amount payable. If that amount suits you, click the Pay button. Now your order goes to the Professional SaaS Translation Service for translation. You can check the status of your order on the Orders page.